Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 1045 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm so excited to be trying out the Complex Culture Full Out Brow Gel, Tinted Volumizing Brow Gel that I got in the shade Warm Blonde. And this is a product from my December 2020 Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. So if you have not seen my unbagging of that, I'll have that video linked in the description down below. I am so excited about the products I got. I also had some products in that bag that I had redeemed points for. So I got so many great products. I was so excited. So definitely check that out. I was really excited to get some makeup products from the brand Complex Culture because Complex Culture makes some of my favorite brushes that I have here, for example. These are very nice, expensive brushes. The makeup products don't seem to be too crazy expensive, although this is kind of a small eyebrow gel for $18 is what this retails for. Pretty packaging though. It says it has biotin in it, which is cool to help condition and strengthen the brow hairs. It's cruelty free. So right now I do not have my brows filled in. I wanted to see how this would look alone and on top of a brow pencil because my go-to brow routine is to fill my brows in with a pencil and then go on top with a brow gel. So first of all, let's check out the applicator. This is interesting. Here's what that applicator looks like. You see how the bristles are a lot longer on one side? I feel like that's a very unique shape for a brush. I kind of want to try just brushing through one of my brows right now as it is to just apply this on its own and see how it looks. But I think I'm going to go ahead and take the longer bristles to brush through. Yeah. I thought this might be a little bit big of an applicator, but it seems actually to be a really good size. I feel like it's doing a good job of brushing through my entire brow. Does that look any different? I can't really tell if it's applying much product, so now I'm going to switch over to the shorter side. And I feel like this way I'm definitely applying the product. This warm brown shade I feel like is perfect for me. But I like that it's not looking clumpy. Like, look at that. That's actually a really great difference. If I was happy with my natural brow shape, I would definitely just wear this on its own because it does fill in the brows, but it still looks pretty natural. Like, you can't see any gloopy product. It doesn't look crumbly, and it definitely seems to have tamed my brow hairs. Wow, I really like this so far. All right, so while I let that dry down, I'm definitely gonna check if it has a strong hold or not, but I'm gonna go ahead and fill in my other brow. I'm using my Winky Lux Unibrow brow pencil, and I really like this. I've already done a full dedicated review video on this brow pencil, so I'll have that linked in the description down below if you want to see more information on it. But I'm just going to go ahead and fill in my brow like I normally do to get more of that precise shape, and then just brush it through. I can notice right away just a little bit of a color difference. This really does look more like a warm brown shade, whereas this one's a little bit more cool toned, but I personally kind of like this shade better. So let's see how that goes with my brow pencil. So I'm just gonna take the longer end of the brush and brush through. What I'm liking is that it really seems to be defining the brow hairs to just make it look even more natural. I really like that. Now the real test, how does it feel? What? It feels like there is no hold. Like the brows are actually feeling very sticky. That's weird. Okay, I'm gonna take a spoolie and try and brush through. Like, yeah, there's definitely a lot of product in my brow, and it leaves like a really sticky feel. Like I can just press down and like stick the brows down. Okay. It doesn't have a super strong hold though. It's like kind of a flexible hold, but when the brows get messed up, it like gets stuck in that messed up position. So weird. I don't love the texture of this. Yeah. It's like a really sticky formula. Like there's no transfer. So like the color has dried down, but it leaves such a weird texture. And like I have long brow hairs, so I need a brow gel that's gonna keep them in place, not make them look worse if they get like tousled. That's strange. So I don't love the texture, the hold of this brow gel, but I really like the look of it and what it does to tint and volumize the hairs like it claims. So it's good in that sense, but it's almost like I feel like I'd need to put another brow gel on top of it to get that hold that I'm looking for. And I kind of want my brow gels to just be that all-in-one. So it kind of does 2 out of the 3 things I want my brow gel to do. And because of that, I can't say that I love this. I don't hate it because it doesn't look bad in the brows. It actually does a really good job of filling in my brow on its own. It just isn't doing what I use my brow gels for, since I will always be filling my brows in with a pencil anyways. What I'm really looking for from my brow gel is that hold aspect. But if you're someone that doesn't fill in your brows with a pencil, I would say this is a good product just to add a little something to your brows, add a little bit more volume, a little bit more fullness to them. But I'm definitely not crazy about this. My brow gel that I'm using right now is the Benefit brow gel, which that one is awesome. That's the one that I would prefer over this one still. But definitely let me know your thoughts on this if you have tried it in the comments down below. I was so excited to try out some Complex Culture makeup products, and the setting powder really didn't impress me. Unfortunately, this brow gel really isn't impressing me. But if you've tried any Complex Culture makeup products that you really love, let me know in the comments down below. I'm so curious about this makeup line and if they actually have some like really awesome products, because their brushes are really awesome. So that's why I was expecting them to have really great makeup. But as always, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.